Alright guys, Junkyard D. We got the pontoons cleaned up and they turned out pretty good, nice and shiny. What I'm worried about now is the side panels are pretty faded and just discolored. So I'm going to try the old patina trick. Like you've seen on some of the old cars with good patina, they're trying to preserve the car and so on, or truck. And I think it'd be a good opportunity to try it on a pontoon. I've never seen it done before. So what we're going to do is Scotch Brite it down with the SOS soap pad real light, because I don't know how thick this paint is and I don't want to rub through it. That would be the worst thing that could happen. Just to get as much scale and fading off of there first, and then we're going to come back and treat it with a little bit of preserving oil. So stick around, we're going to try, like I say, cleaning it up, and then we'll preserve it and see how it turns out. Definitely taken some of the color, the top coat off, which is a good thing, getting faded old paint off, so just gonna keep plugging away. Okay, there we go. We got it all scrubbed down, ready to go. I'm just gonna let her drip dry and come back tomorrow. It's getting late, it's gonna be dark here pretty soon, so we're gonna come back, dry it off, and then we'll do the preservative and see what it'll do to bring out that shine and that sheen of that color. So stick around, we'll see you then. All right, we're back again today. Today we're gonna be putting a little preservative sealant on the panels today. I got them all scrubbed down yesterday. Got all the top coat of the dead paint off of it, but we're going to put some of this on. This is Penetrol. A lot of times people use this for preserving paint on patinas, old cars and things, so we're going to give it a shot on the Pontoon, see if we can get that color to come back out, because it's pretty faded and almost pinkish when it should be a deeper maroon. So put it on, see how it turns out. Alright, I know it's getting dark here, so it's kind of hard to see, but we got her all wiped down with one coat. We're going to see what she looks like tomorrow in the sunlight, and maybe hit it with a second coat, depending on how she looks and that kind of thing. So, stay tuned. We'll take a look at it tomorrow in the sunlight. Alright, so here's the final product. Got the Penetrol on there. It really brought out the color, got that faded red back to what it should look like. It's not perfect. See, there's still some obviously scratches and dings that I wasn't concerned about. I just wanted to get the color back, so we'll see how long it actually holds up and keeps it looking that way. That's still to be determined, but I think overall, with cleaning those tunes, bringing that color out on the panels, it really improved the look of this boat. It looks almost like new again. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. Catch you on the next one.